So, today we're taking Roxanne back out. Sitting around the shop a lot. We finally got the exhaust on and stuff, and I just got tired of her sitting around, so we threw some lights in the tail end to make her legal, and what's the first thing you do when you take her back on the road? Take her right back out of the track. We're chasing sevens tonight. I don't know if the car's got enough clutch left in it. It's got a lot of wonky stuff going on with torque tube, but we're damn sure gonna give her a try, so stay tuned.
So how you feel about it?
I feel pretty good. I mean, it feels really good to be back in the car. I've missed that baby, and like that's definitely a part of me that's been missing, but not the best time it's ever run by no means. I've been down to, I think, at 8043 or something up in Shady Side where it really hooked, which I didn't really have a problem hooking tonight. Wasn't really launching hard. That clutch is about done. I mean, it's okay, but I know that torque tube really needs to be rebuilt. There's a lot of noise going on there, and I really don't want to blow it up just yet. We got a bunch of parts sitting in the shop for this thing. I still got to order the clutch itself, but we got a bell housing, torque tube all kind of stuff. So first pass of the night, I really got excited and read it wrong and thought I ran a 7.93, but actually the first pass was a 8:44.47 at about 87 something mile an hour. So not bad. I mean, the reaction time was pretty decent, 0.1084. A little slower off the light the second time, but I did crack off 8:30 mile an hour, pretty much about the same. So but I'm happy. I mean, I'm back out of the track. I'm driving the car again. Like I said earlier, we just threw some lights back in it just to make it legal, and decided to get out and drive the thing. So while I was sitting around, we can get the body work done and everything. So in the meantime, she's been a money pit. At least I can drive the money pit a little bit. Well, guys, it's been a fun night here at Greer. Just a short little quick video to get out here and just bring Roxanne back out and get the car moving so she's not just sitting around. So hope you guys enjoyed it. There'll definitely be some more. Like I said, got a ton of parts coming for this thing, a ton of parts at the shop. We're trying to get with some body guys here around here to get some ideas. We might have them do the rear tub assembly and all that. Just don't feel comfortable doing it, and I'm not a body guy. But anywho, we're still gonna have plenty more videos on Roxanne, so remember, until next time, stock is not an option.